What's up, guys? I'm Brendan Joyner. I'm with Armor Coating. As Reno would say, this is our worldwide headquarters. Today we're just going to do something a bit different. Reno's down sandblasting, so I figured I'd give it a try. You know, why not? So what we're going to do, we're going to take this white vein from Columbia Coatings, and it's a great powder. We shot a rear bumper last week. Probably the coolest powder I've ever shot. Totally being honest about that. So today we're gonna take it, lay some Lollipop Red over the top of it on this this cool ass 1/60th sign that we've got, and yeah, so let's do it. This is a textured powder, so you're always going to want to, after you're done, bring it back. Just make sure you fan it everywhere. Get it nice. Make sure that texture is really on there. Should be good. All right, we're going to put this bad boy in the oven. We'll be right back. All right, so we got her pulled out of the oven. She looks pretty sweet, man. Check this out. It's got to be one of my favorite powders from Columbia so far. My favorite texture, period. So let's lay some of that Lollipop Red. Also from Columbia Coatings. As usual, shoot from the back. Looking great, looking great. Pretty much that. I have no idea what's going to happen, but that's the beautiful thing about trying it out, man. Let's do it. Leave that in there and do a full cure. But before I let you go, let me show you some of the cool stuff we got coming up. Reno might kick my butt if he knows I'm showing you this. But what we have right here is a 1953 Corvette chassis. It's not the original chassis, it's been rebuilt. Something like that. I'm not a car guy, I just powder coat. But this is going to be the topic of our next big video, so you guys stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. You good? All right, what's up, guys? So it's all done. Check it out. All this is Lollipop Red over white vein, and let me just tell you, it looks awesome. But with that being said, don't be scared to try different things. Lay this powder over that powder. I mean, we're all just trying to, you know, make stuff look cool. So, but yeah, this was just something quick, something to put out on the channel for everyone. You know, we're super busy. We try to put out a lot of content, but you know, Reno's down here, we're up here. It's like sometimes it's just crazy, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, And make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Check us out on Armor Coating, Mid-10 Designs, Facebook, Instagram. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one.